Hey guys, I'm Ziqiao, a teacher from Groningen Confucius Institute, and today I will challenge a kind of Chinese traditional food called crunchy beefcake. But at first, please allow me to say I'm really bad at cooking because I hate it. But maybe it's another kind of encouragement. If I can figure it out, definitely you will handle it. Okay, let's go.
Maybe you will ask me if there is any recipe or not. As my grandma told me, our best recipe is a feeling but not calculation. Especially I'm not an expert in cooking, so all the ingredient here is very normal. Green onion, flour, onion, minced beef, olive oil. You can get them from any supermarket. First, put a few drops of olive oil in the flour. Yes, from now on you will hear the words of a few a little bit continually. Please just use a feeling. Put a little water into the flour and go on to knead it. It's such to knead it until the bowl is clean. But when you feel exhausted, please give up. The one who can save a nasty bowl is the other bowl. Cover the dough with the other bowl to wait for the dough wake up. 20 minutes later, you can shape the dough whatever you want. I cut it into 8 pieces. And then press them. Arrange them in a pot with a little oil one by one, and soak the dough in the oil for at least 2 hours. I don't know how to cook well, but I trust time solves everything. As to sauce of crunchy beefcake, onion and green onion are very important. We also need to use salt, pepper, ginger or ginger powder, and the king of the flavor, soy sauce. Put everything together and stir them. Pray they can provide me very juicy stuffing. I promise I've ignored all the ingredients, which I think is not necessary. But as a third soul of crunchy beefcake, pastry is very necessary, but easy to make. Just put olive oil and flour together and stir them till it seems like yogurt. Finally, after 2 hours, 8 doughs wake up. I use a rolling pin to roll them out into thin pancakes. Put stuff in the pancake and wrap it. Don't forget to put green onion and pastry in it. Let's go on to roll. At last, score a few strings on the dough with a knife. Go on to roll it till it becomes into a ball. And press it gently. Now is the last step of the whole project. Use a pan to fry the cakes. Please use the low temperature of the fire to make sure the beefcake be crunchy. Shh, please pay attention. It's definitely the most beautiful sound of the world. Do you agree with me?
I'm done, so it's time for me to taste my crunchy beefcake. Want to join me? I can't stop and my plate is almost empty. This crunchy beefcake is really delicious. There are different crunchy layers and juicy beef and very crispy green onion. Almost everything is perfect. Maybe you don't think cooking Chinese dishes is a very difficult thing, and me as well. From now on, I think I can pick up my confidence from cooking. If you are interested in this kind of crunchy beefcake, please follow me and try it. Go ahead. Look forward to see you again. Bye bye.